Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this super easy stitch that I had made before, but I'm just making the same because I'm using a different yarn. I'm using a rainbow yarn. It's a best quality as it's mentioned here, and it's Australian wool 70% and imported nylon 30%. So it's a mixture of Australian and imported nylon, which they have not mentioned, and they have you saying you can use 2.0 or 4.0, and I am using 3.5 instead of 4.0. So let's get started. So I'll chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And you're going to make single crochet. So I'm using this yarn to see how the outcome is going to be. This is the first time I'm using, so let's see. And you can see how the outcome has come out. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to turn around our work, and we're going to yarn over 1, 2, 2, and 3. So I have 1, 2, and we've got 1, 2, 3. You can see 1, 2, and 3. chain 1, and in the last one I'm going to make double crochet. This yarn is also a bit slippery, so 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to come on this side. We're going to yarn over and go right straight inside. And again in the same space, chain 1, and it's also tangy, as you can see. So if you are a beginner, don't use this yarn, but I'm trying it for the first time, so yarn over to go right here. Oh, see, again to go in the space, then again in this space here, but the outcome is a little bit better. It only needs practice, so you have to just now and there. Go again here. I think you have to pull it again a little bit to see it. Then again there. Yarn over to come here in this space. Do chain 3. Then we're going to work in the spaces of the cross stitch. Chain 1 again. Chain 1. Go into the space. This yarn is very slippery. maybe because it's a mixture of two yarns. Then yarn over, and besides its slippery, it has got a flow, so it's a positive sign of this yarn. It's very smooth, but sometimes it curls, so as you can see, this is how it has the outcome, because it's a very beautiful yarn. It's the same as this one that I have made in my previous video. So I hope you like this video and tell me about this yarn if you have used before, so I can get some review. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.